What's up, guys? Hector Rodriguez, trader here, and I'm in the gym working out, and I just wanted to do this quick message about why it's important to jump into other things after trading in the market in the morning, whatever time you trade. It's important to close the laptop, win or lose, and go do the things that you like. Get your mind off of trading until the next day. Go to the gym, work out like I'm doing. Go running. I enjoy running as well. I like to go to the beach. I like to go surfing whenever I can. And in the beginning, when we fall into trading, we want to learn it. We fall in love. We get that shiny object syndrome, and we get attracted by the cars, the lifestyle, the life that it can give us. Ultimately, we can live life under our own terms once we master it. And what I found myself struggling with in the beginning was my life would revolve around trading. That if I lost money in the market, I would just keep over trading. So I forgot about the things that I like to do: surfing, working out, running, going for walks, like spending time with my family. And that's okay and everything, because you need to put in that chart time in the beginning, all those hours on the charts, right, to figure out your strategy and how you're going to go about creating an edge in the market. But win or lose in the beginning of the day, once you actually find a strategy that works for you and you have found your system, win or lose, you need to walk away and you need to go do that thing. For me, it's go to the gym. All right, done with trading. I won or I lost. I'm gonna go work out. I'm gonna go for a run if I want to be outside. Maybe go to the beach. Maybe go jump in the pool in my apartment complex, and just forget about trading. Because if you just keep thinking about that loss that you had, let's say today you had a loss, and you just keep thinking about it, it's just gonna eat you up, and you're gonna want to just be on the charts, and you're gonna want to make another trade, and then most likely you're gonna lose money. And so it's important to just remind yourself of the hobbies, the things that you like to do outside of trading. Okay, these are things that I like to do, like working out. It's not just I don't even really do it. I'm not like an athlete or anything like that. I used to be, but I just do it. I don't even do it for really physique. Obviously, that's some of the fruits of your labor from working out. But I just do it to feel better. Just let steam off, let steam out of my head from the trading day, win or lose, and just forget about it. And when you're in the gym, you're just in this flow state. You forget that time as it passes. Your blood oxidative levels are high because there's blood oxygen just running through your body, and it just makes you feel good, and you're in this flow state, and you almost forget about life. If you work out, you know this feeling. If you don't, you should really get in the gym, do some type of training, or go running, because you realize the world, nothing really exists, like bills, all that stuff. It doesn't exist. It's all fake. It's not real. It's a monopoly. And so that's what the gym does, and that's good for trading, because you want to get your mind right. This is a place to get your mind right for the next trading day. Okay, close the laptop and go hit that workout. I guess that's the example I'm setting, because I'm working out right now. Or go for a walk. Start off with a walk, light jog, and just come back to the charts, even if it's later in the day. Just stay off the computer for a few hours, and then go back later. See what you did wrong, see what you did right, and just take it from there, man. Trading is not like the 9 to 5. It's not like everything we've been taught life is. In life, they tell you the harder you work at something, the better you're gonna be, and it's true. If you play soccer every day and you suck, if you play every day for a month, you're gonna be better in 30 days. There's no doubt about it. Even if you still suck in 30 days, you're still gonna be better than you were in day one. In trading, it's not like that. The more hours you put into the charts doesn't really mean that return on investment, okay? So you'll find out, if you're a beginner trader, that the least amount of time actually creates the most amount of results, because you're looking for that specific strategy. You're looking for that entry point in your strategy, that niche in the market that you have mastered, and you're executing on it, and you're getting out when it's time to get out, right? And you're taking your profits for what they are that day. And most times that happens within a couple hours. That happens for me within a within a couple hours in the morning. And in the beginning, when I used to try to trade deep into 1, 2, 3, 4 p.m. Eastern time, New York Stock Exchange time, I would say 80% of the time I would end the day negative. Okay, right? But if you work a 9 to 5, you're guaranteed that paycheck at the end at 5 p.m. right? Every Friday or every 2 Fridays. And so you have to find those things that you're looking forward to. All right, whether I win or lose today, I'm gonna go work out. I'm gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna go run. I'm gonna go hit up a buddy, go get something to eat, and just enjoy the day for what it is. And so when you don't have anything to look forward to, which was the purpose of this video, you just stay on the charts and you just give back the money to the market. Say you did make money in the beginning and you just got greedy. That's another thing I struggled with. You gave it back to the market later on in the day because you were just like, oh, I made a trade, I made money. Let's do it again. And that's where you lose money. But anyways, guys, peace and love. Make sure you find those hobbies that are outside of trading. Keep your mind right. Peace out.